All right, so if you're going to sit with this, really sit with it, then the first thing is make yourself into someone who can listen. Sit up straight, not stiffly, not like you're bracing for an attack, but with dignity, with intention. Let your shoulders relax and place your hands where they can rest easily. Close your eyes if you want to, but keep your awareness alert, not drifting, not grasping, just receptive. Now breathe through your nose slowly, in and out. Not to force calm, but to make space. You're not trying to control anything here. You're preparing to perceive. That's the whole idea. To allow what is real and good and true to emerge. Not from outside you like a command, but from within you as something remembered. And so just for now, let go of the impulse to evaluate, to categorize, to argue. Just attend. There's something sacred in that. You're not trying to get somewhere. You're trying to see. So be still and let that unfolding begin, right? So let's think this through carefully. There are moments, rare and luminous, when someone sees you trying, not just succeeding, and they respond not with critique, but with gratitude. That's significant. That's not shallow affirmation. That's a recognition that you are moving toward what is meaningful, even if clumsily. That's the kind of attention that doesn't just notice your actions, but sees the pattern you're aligning yourself with, your trust, your willingness to act, your refusal to remain cynical. And that, properly understood, is a sacred thing. Now, what do you aim at when you respond to that kind of recognition? You don't double down on efficiency or brute force. You orient yourself toward insight. You want to see better and you want to live as though seeing matters. There's this idea, a very deep one, that breath and direction are connected. In both Hebrew and Greek, the same word refers to breath, spirit, and wind. You breathe in, and in doing so, you take in more than oxygen. You take in orientation. The ancient psyche knew this. The right aim isn't given to you by a tyrant. It dawns on you as the fog begins to clear. That's the point of real prayer, by the way. Not bargaining, not magic, but alignment. Focused intention towards someone else's becoming, and maybe your own too. And so, what are we hoping for? That the illusions fall away, that the filters we've inherited, our traumas, our cowardice, our laziness, get stripped back so that we can see things as they are. That's the exit from Egypt, archetypally speaking. It's the lifting of the veil, it's the crossing of the Red Sea, that moment of transition where clarity begins to emerge, not because everything is fixed, but because you're finally moving toward it. And what's revealed? That there's already more in you than you dare admit, that the inheritance is real, but not a payout. It's a responsibility, a pattern of being that if you embody it gives you strength, yes, but also capacity, the ability to act, not just react. That's what it means to be animated by a living spirit, not a dead abstraction. So you see, the point isn't to be perfect, it's to participate, to be aligned with the pattern that has always moved reality forward, through suffering, through death, yes, but toward resurrection. But you don't get there by engineering it. You get there by being honest, by shouldering what's yours to carry, and by waking up slowly to the fact that what is most real is also what is most good. And now let that settle. Let the words fall away like scaffolding. You've glimpsed something, maybe not clearly, maybe not completely, but enough. Enough to know that the burden is real and the path is real and the invitation is real. And now, just sit with that. Not as someone who's arrived, but as someone who is aiming. Breathe once more, deliberately. And remember, it's not clarity that makes you worthy of the path. It's your willingness to take one more step, eyes open, heart engaged, shoulders back. That's where it begins, every time.